two probe apparatus. This is the oven, sample holder, power supply, bell switch, nano ammeter, PID oven. Okay, so in this we have done already the connection. I will show you the connections. So how to we have to do. Initially there is a connection from PID to the oven underneath of this one. So I will show you the connection. So underneath of oven there is a wire going on there. So that is from PID oven. That black wire is from PID oven. This is nano ammeter. Initially we have to adjust it to 0 with the help of 0 knob. This is 0 setting. So I have adjusted it to 0. Then we have to do the connections. Power supply positive to bell switch to oven electrode negative. Then power supply negative to nano ammeter negative, nano ammeter positive to oven electrode positive. Oven temperature, that is TC is given to PID control. So this connection I will show you out. From oven variable power supply to bell switch to negative of the electrode, then variable power supply to nano ammeter negative, nano ammeter positive to electrode positive. The temperature TC, this side, other side, temperature TC is given to PID control, positive to positive, negative to negative. Then we have to switch on the power supplies. So you can see in PID oven, it will give you initial temperatures. Wait for this one, that is 19 degrees, that's the room temperature, and this is now it has been started. This indicates that oven has started heating. So room temperature is 20 and temperature is increasing now. You can see here 21. You can note down. You have to wait until it reaches 200 degrees or 400 degrees. For getting the current reading, you have to press this bell switch to note down the current value. But right now there is a minimum temperature, so you have to wait until the temperature reaches to some extent. So we have waiting up to 200 degrees now. So this must take time. So we have to note down the temperature versus current. This is in cooling wise. So I will pause the video and on it as soon as it reaches 180 degrees. Apply the voltage about 1 volt. So here I am applied the voltage. So we have to wait until the temperature reaches up to 180 or 200 degrees. Ignore these values. These are error values. So we don't need these values. When we press this bell switch only, that will give the exact value. Okay, we have to wait until the temperature reaches some reading about 180 to 200 degrees. Since it is nano ammeter, that's why it is giving some readings. If you go in like microamps, it won't show you the display readings, but when it reaches the temperature, you can see the current reading. So that is 100 microamps range we have selected here. If you select 10 microamps also, some reading will show you out, but we have to wait until the temperature of the oven increases, then only it give you the readings. So you can see here the oven temperature is 54 and swap temperature is 42. Both will get some time, so we have to wait. Still you can see the current reading is 0.01 only. So if you want more readings, you have to wait until it reaches the maximum temperature.